This is the emergency broadcast system. This is not a test.
Government officials insist that this...
The Center for Disease Control has reported an outbreak of a new virus that regenerates dead tissue, prolonging life after clinical death.
If evacuation is impossible, move indoors.
Stay in your homes and lock all doors, block all windows, and barricade any point of entry.
Stove to heat your home. This can cause a fire or fatal gas. Stop at every intersection. Do not call 911. Be suspicious of persons who exhibit signs of infection.
Avoid roads to allow emergency vehicle access.
Are being used to combat the outbreak.
Causing the infected to exhibit cannibalistic tendencies. Though local and government authorities have responded to the outbreak, there may still be dangers.
Unit 2, move into position. Units 3 and 4, maintain coverage.
1-3, what's your 20? Shots fired! There's too many! Where's the backup?
If your power goes out, remain calm. Do not travel into areas affected by the attack. Take personal security precautions to avoid becoming a victim of an attack.
Protection from radioactive fallout will require taking shelter in an unoccupied.
Again, remain calm and wait for further instructions from authorities.
Hello? Hello? Is anyone out there? We're survivors held up in a warehouse. The zombies have overrun the city. Supplies are running short. Is anyone out there?